And what I want to learn from this class is
Go to a school.
trying to make websites and I don't know the next and database and data visualization.
Okay, that's good. Okay, next comes from the list. I'll just pick from the list. Okay, Aditi is done. Next comes Tanvi. Tanvi, put your video on and then introduce yourself, please.
I'm Tanvi. I go to
Louder.
I'm Tanvi. I go to Takapuna Primary School.
Yeah.
I'm year 6 and
Where is she?
I don't
What
know.
do you want to learn?
I don't know.
You don't know what you are learning. Okay, that's good. It's good that you are frank. Okay, next one is Gaurav Singh.
Yeah, I studied at Valley High School, and then I'm here to learn how to make games and how to do coding.
Okay. And which year are you in?
I'm in year 9.
And you are from Wellington, right?
Yep.
Okay. Next one is Adarsh.
My name is Adarsh. I study in Waterloo School. I'm in year 6.
Yeah.
And I came over here to learn database.
Very good. Okay. Okay. Next one is Ayan.
Hello, my name is Ayan, and I go to Mongolside Primary. I'm year 6, and I came here to learn the basics of database.
Okay, that's good. Next is Nitya. Nitya, mute. You are mute. Unmute yourself.
Hi, I'm Nithya. I go to Cornwall Park District School. I'm year 6 and I'm here to learn database and data visualization.
Very good. Okay. Next one is Kritika.
My name is Kritika. I'm in Edendale. I go to Edendale School. I'm in year 6 and I want to learn data.
Okay, you are in year 6. And you, what are you learning? What do you want to learn here?
Coding.
Coding. Okay. Let's see what code we will write. Okay. Next one is Shlok. Shlok, turn on your video. Shlok, are you there?
Yeah.
We can't see you. Do you want to turn on your video? Did you turn on?
Yeah.
Okay, you speak. What's your full name? Which school you go to?
My name is Shlok, and I go to Edendale Primary School. And I'm here to learn the abbreviation.
Okay. Lasya? Lasya, are you there?
I am Lasya. I go to Elam Christian College, and I'm year 5, and I
Yeah.
want to learn coding.
Okay. Next one is, let me check the next one is Mandipa.
Hi, my name is Mandeepa and I'm in year 6 and I go to Diocesan School for Girls and I want to learn how to do database and data visualization.
Very good. Okay. Next one is Vishwani.
Hi, I'm Vishwani. I go to Everglade Primary School. I'm a year 6, and what I want to learn here is to code websites, maybe computers or any type of device.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. And next one is Akhil. Do you want to go?
My name is Akhil. I go to Hingaya School. Mm, I'm in year 3 and I'm here to see my dad code.
Yes, okay, that's good. Okay. And next one is Priyal. Priyal, are you here?
Yes, hello. My name is Priyal. I'm in year 9.
Yeah,
I go to Whangarei Girls High School
yeah.
and I'm here to learn coding and to code websites, to learn to how to code websites. And
Okay. Just give me a minute. Hello, Vinita. Yes, sir. मैं ठीक हूँ आप आए नहीं Yeah. Are you having issues? Just give me a minute. What is the so does it come open Microsoft Teams? Uh, can you send a screenshot? Can you send a screenshot? Yeah. Okay. Who else is left? I think that's all in the class. We are waiting just for two more girls to join. Okay. So meanwhile, I'll send a link to the chat in the chat. I want you all to fill that. Okay. Just give me a minute. I'll send you the link. Wait, wait. Just give me a minute. I'm going to send it to you. रिद्धि 1 मिनट ठहरना इन लोगों को ये करके मैं Okay, I'm posting the link. So access that and then try and fill that. Okay. Okay. Riddhi?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Problem. I can't open the chat. It says only channel meetings is only available to team members.
Yeah.
Yeah, same to me.
Okay. 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 Then
me as well.
I think there's a button you have to press to open it up.
she will do.
Can you also post it on the WhatsApp chat?
Okay. Riddhi, you are in general, right? Go into databases and then you click on join. Databases channel है ना उसमें जाके click on join. Okay. Click here. Okay. Okay then. You will be in some time. Yeah. Join click here na. Okay. Yeah, I can see you now. Okay. Okay, so who all can't access the link from the chat?
I can't access the link.
Me
Shlok.
either. I can't access.
I can't access the link either.
Me too.
So what I will do is,
Auntie,
uh,
I don't. Where is the chat?
okay, so there is a, can you see a end call button?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So beside that, there is the video and the sound button, right?
Yeah.
And there is a participants button. In that, you will see a chat button. It's like a notepad. Can you see that?
Dial
Open
chat.
she's asking to open.
We can't open it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you are not able to open it, is it?
Yes. Yes.
It
Okay,
says
so
that only members are allowed to open it.
okay. Okay, so maybe I'll send you the okay, you can I'll send you the form later on. You can answer that. Okay. So no one can access it, is it? Can it was anyone able to access?
Yeah, yeah.
Not inaccessible.
Induji, we can open it.
Okay, you can open it.
Yeah, I can
Who
see the
else
chat.
can open it?
I
Rasya,
think
can you open it?
I think
I can open
kids
it.
not able to
I
understand.
filled in.
So can someone else help them?
Lasya filled it and she submitted it.
Yeah. Okay, Rasya is able to do it. What about Nitya? Ayan?
Do we fill it in if we've got it?
Yeah, if you got it, you fill it in. Adarsh, you raised a hand. Can you fill it in or not?
I can.
Are you able to access the chat?
No. No. Can you help me? So that. You can't access the chat.
Yeah, for Adarsh, we cannot see the chat.
Okay. I think I know what to do. I am doing it now. Try
Chat in
Adarsh. Try
channel
now.
meeting is only available to team members.
Yeah.
Okay. Now try now. Adarsh, you try. Kritika, you try.
Can.
And Aditi, can you try?
एक मिनट मैं उससे कनेक्ट करती हूँ.
Tanvi, can you try? Ayan, can you try?
It's not working.
Vishwani, can you try?
My mom found it on WhatsApp.
On WhatsApp. Okay, now tell me who all can. Okay, now I told you so many. Okay, Ayan, can you access?
No.
Aditi, can you access?
I don't know.
Do you know where to access the chat button?
Yep. I just sent a message, but I don't know if it's sent or not.
Can Auntie see that message? Your message?
No, I can't see the message.
Then
Okay, maybe you are in chat. Okay.
It says sending, but I don't think Auntie can see it from her end.
Okay, here in the channel I am sending the link. Yeah. See, in the channel there is, if you come to the channel, do you know how to come to the channel?
No.
Okay, on the right side, can you see teams?
No. No. Where is the team?
Okay, I'm going to share you how I'm going to share my screen.
Yeah.
And then you will be able to see.
I'm showing.
See, can you see this? Can you see this? Can you see that?
Yeah, it's only
Got
two
that?
people.
And then go into
Chat
databases.
It's not. Yeah.
See, this is the link.
Where is the link?
See here. See this one. Is everyone able to see that?
Can you show me once again? I couldn't see it.
In Teams, databases and data visualizations, and here, posted
I
by me.
can't see your screen.
It says, you can't see my screen?
Yes.
Okay,
No,
so
I can. In team, I can't see it. There is no team.
Is it the participants?
no, not participants. Just beside the participants, there is a chat.
Wait, we can access
The chat is only available to team members.
Just give me a minute. I think these people I need to add.
Hindu, I am opening on my browser.
Okay.
So I think on browser I can't see you're showing us. But not on the app.
Okay. Anyway, let's not waste our time. We'll continue. You can fill the form after the class, okay?
I cannot see you. I can see the different.
See the link. Mandipa, were you able to fill? See here, go here and databases and data visualizations and this way. Only Nitya could fill. Okay, that's okay. Let's not waste our time. Okay, let's start the class. I'm going to share a PowerPoint.
Listen to the class.
Okay, can you all see my presentation?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Who is not able to see?
Yep.
Is there anyone who is
I
not
can
able
see
to
it.
see?
I can't see it.
Who is that? Kritika. Kritika, are you not able to see it?
I can see it.
Then who is not able to see it? Vishwani.
Are we supposed to get the link to it?
Where is the link to it?
Link, I will send it to you later. We'll pause that for now. You can fill that later, but we'll start the class, okay? And who was not able to see the
What is the presentation?
it says database concepts. Are you able to see it?
Yes, I can see it now.
I can also see it.
Okay, just before I start, I want to mute everyone. Okay, let's learn some database concepts today. This course will be 12 weeks. By that time, I think you will be getting used to Teams. We are, instead of using Zoom or anything like that, we are going to use Microsoft Teams. So, what is a database? Can anyone tell? Unmute yourself and tell.
Me. I can. Yeah. So database is actually which stores data in it.
What is data? Let's come to basics. What is data? Yeah, Vishwani.
Data is basically information that is analyzed.
Okay. Who else wants to answer? Nitya? Nitya, what is data?
I don't know anything.
Okay, what about Kritika? What is data? No? Mandipa? Yes, Aditi? Unmute yourself and say.
Database is like, and you have like a chart. You take information and like place it in like a graph or something, like maybe a bar graph, and you like separate it into small bits.
Very good, Aditi. And Ayan?
It's like a
What is data? Try and give me an example.
So it's like a set of information which is also data held in your computer.
Okay. Lasya?
I don't know what database means.
Okay. What about Riddhi, Pari? Riddhi, Pari, are you in the meeting? Are you able to hear? Okay, so who else? Priyal?
I think data is basically facts and statistics that are converted into information for being analyzed.
Okay. Okay, that's a good definition. Okay, let's see what data is in this thing now. Okay, so database, see, is anything that stores and organizes information.
Akhil wants to say something.
Sorry?
Akhil wants to say about data.
Akhil, come on, tell me.
Fast.
Akhil, tell me.
Tell fast.
If you write a code and you put it in something, that is data.
Oh, that is one part of data. That's good. Yeah. Good attempt, Akhil. That's really good. Okay. So now, data is anything that stores and organizes information. So, some of the examples of data is, you have information in the newspaper, right? That is data. You have information in these files, right? In hard copy files. That also is data. Anything that is useful for analyzing is called data. And that data, depending on where it is stored, it is called a database. Okay? You will understand it further when we do some activity today. So what are some database examples? Can anyone tell? You use it every day in your school.
Notepad.
Yes.
Excel.
Yes.
Computers, basically notes, reminders, alarms.
Yes, very good.
Word.
Yeah. Okay. So let's see what I have here as database examples. Word documents, spreadsheets. Do you think that this is also data? Database example?
Yeah.
Search engine, Google search engine. That is the biggest database, right?
Yeah.
Do you think this one is a database?
Yes.
Library? Yes or no? Yes. So do you all have school libraries, right?
Yeah.
So there is, that's a big database, okay? But it's a physical database. What about this?
Yeah.
All your Facebook photos, videos,
Profile.
stories, Instagram.
Social media.
Yeah. Twitter.
Yeah.
Etc. 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 So that's why I put a blank there. You have TikTok, you have YouTube. Everything is a example of database. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Now, why do we need databases? I want you to answer the question. Why do we need databases?
To store the data.
Yeah, to store the data and
to store
To make
data
conclusions.
and
to
to
make
store
conclusions. Yeah. Okay. Aditi.
And sort out information.
Store information. Yes. Mandipa.
store information and to store your data.
Okay. Tanvi. Why do we need database?
To store information.
Kritika. Do you understand what a database is now? Kritika?
Yes.
Yes? Who doesn't understand what a database is? Who doesn't? So everybody understands, right? Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. Okay, so now let's see why we need the databases. So why do we need? We need to manage data. What do you mean by manage data? Somebody said they want to convert the data into some graphs, right? Somebody said they want to see what facts are, right? So all this management can be done if we have databases. We can do that. We can manage the data efficiently if we store the data in a database. Okay, that's why we need databases. And also manage access to data. What does it mean? What do you understand? Does anyone understand what manage access to data is? What is manage access to data?
I think like
Yes, Adarsh.
I think like suppose like someone like something we are logging in like our old stuff so we can just use it our username like
Yes.
it will be
Perfect. Yeah, yeah. I think you understand, but you are not able to put it properly. That's really good. And Riddhi Pari, tell me. Can't hear you, Riddhi and Pari. I don't know whether you are having issues. Okay. So who else? Who else raised this hand? Shlok. Shlok, tell me. Why? What do you mean by manage access to data? I can't hear you properly.
If it is not managed, anyone can use.
Okay. So for example, I'm going to give you an example to make you understand. I have my emails in my Google account, okay? And you have your emails in your Google account. If we don't manage access to data, I can see your emails and you can see my emails. Do you want that?
No.
No.
So that is the reason we need to manage the access to database. Access means who is going to access what? Who has permissions to see what? That is the meaning of access. Do you understand now?
Yes.
Ritika, do you understand? Good example. So can anyone tell any other example? Come up with any example. Yeah, Vishwani.
I have an example.
Yeah.
It's happening right now because we need permission to go into the chat.
Well done. That's a very good example. Okay, next one. Any other example? Kritika, I want you to talk. Give me an example. Unmute yourself and talk. Unmute. Can you unmute? I can't unmute. Yeah. No, you have unmuted yourself again. Unmute.
Raise your hand, maybe.
Yeah, I am after they say no because
Raise your hand.
Can you unmute yourself, Kritika? No? Okay. Okay. Aditi, do you want to tell?
Yeah, like when you take a library from when you take a book from the library, you need permission to take it home.
Well done. That's a very good example. Okay, who else wants to share an example?
I want to share that whenever we log in somewhere, that's database managing.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Like,
Yes.
like examples, log into Facebook and etc.
Yeah.
Nitya wants to say.
Nitya. No? No. Okay. Akhil, do you want to say something?
Yeah. A
Yeah, tell
swipe
me.
card.
Huh?
A swipe card.
Well done. Perfect example. Very good. That's the most security related thing. That's really good. Okay.
I also have another one.
Yeah.
My schoolwork.
Schoolwork. What happens in your schoolwork?
I do my schoolwork, but
Yeah.
my dad cannot access my schoolwork.
Sorry, what is that? I didn't get you.
I only access my schoolwork. My dad cannot access my schoolwork.
Oh, okay, yeah. So only you can access, and your teachers can access, but not other people can access. That's a really good practical one, Akhil. Very good. Okay, so now we'll go to so now you all understand what manage access to data is, right? Okay,
Yes.
so now the next point why we need databases is it is used for querying purpose. What do you understand by that? When data is stored in a database, it is used for querying purpose. What do you understand by that?
I think it's to ask questions. I think that's what query means.
Very good.
Or interview.
Yeah. Okay. Who else wanted to say something? Querying purpose. How, can anyone give an example? Tanvi?
Searching
Can't hear you properly. Speak up.
for a book in a library.
Yeah. Searching for a book in a library. Yes, that's a physical one. Okay. Best example. Yeah. Nitya. Nitya? Yeah, Mandipa.
Wait.
Searching for something on social media.
Well done. I was thinking you will say Google, but social media. Yes, very good. Okay, next. Any other example? Any other example? Last year.
Is it like we in school we do small projects like asking the class what they like,
Yeah.
bananas or apples. We're basically interviewing them, asking questions, and querying about it.
Okay. So that is you are asking, but there is no database there, right? Is there a database? So if we think of that, database is the person's mind is the database, because from the person's mind you are querying, right? So the person's mind is the database. Okay, Aditi.
When you find when you search things up on Google and the Google engine, then you find what you're looking for. You type in
Yes.
what you're looking
Yeah,
for.
yeah. So that means you are querying the data. Okay, so that's good. So everyone understand. Kritika, I want you to talk.
One more example.
Give me an example. Can't hear you.
I have one more example.
Yeah, tell me.
Like, saying, I just forgot.
Forgot. Okay, that's okay. Okay, then let's move on to the next one.
Oh, I got it. I got it.
Okay, so database types. What do you think the database types are? Can you try and think before I tell you what they are? Based on our discussion.
Wait, what does database types mean?
Okay, there are different types of databases. Library.
Oh.
Example is library is a physical database, right?
Oh, okay.
I have some.
Yeah, tell me.
There's figurative databases. There's physical, and there's also I think
digital.
And digital, yeah, digital.
Digital. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now who else wants to say?
Me?
Yeah, tell me.
A website?
Yes, very good. Yeah.
I also have one more.
Yeah.
Google Docs.
Yes, very good.
I think so. Excel, Word,
Yes.
and document.
Yes. Word documents is a different data type and Excel is a different data type. Okay. Let's see what I have here. Flat files. What do you mean by flat files? Any guesses?
Does flat files mean actual like database, like physical database that you can see?
Flat files are when you use a notepad.
Yeah, basically physical things that you can touch and you can take out at any time. Physical things like a textbook or a math book.
No. These data types that we have here, it's all digital. Okay, it's nothing physical here.
Oh.
Okay, and this flat files is
like Google Docs.
We call no. Flat files are not Google Docs. Flat files are when you use a notepad to store something. It's called a text file because they save with .txt, right? So those are called flat files, either a .txt file or a .csv file. CSV file is comma separated value. CSV is comma separated value. So the data will be like, for example, if you have first name, last name, email, they will be separated by commas in each of the columns, and then they will be stored as .csv instead of .txt. So those are called flat files. You will learn when you try to use it, then you will learn what it is. Okay. And document oriented databases. Documented oriented databases are, for example, you have your Word documents on Google Docs and stuff. Okay. Graph databases and relational databases, hierarchical databases, network databases. You have lots of different types. Twitter is also a database, like social media databases, and Netflix or YouTube or Vimeo or whatever, where you store videos. So those are the databases. Is everyone with me on that? Did everyone understand what are the different types of databases?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now let's do some activity. Oh, you are not able to access chat, right? Oh. Okay. So I will fill them for you. I am going to create a Excel database. Okay. And can you see my Excel database? No. Okay, I'm going to share with you. Share. Not Teams, but okay. Can you see my Excel sheet?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so here I am going to have name, class or year, not class, year I think. Year, school, class teacher, and email. And then class teacher, email. What else? Okay, let's have these five columns. Now I want each one of you to tell your name, year, and then I'm going to fill this. Okay, because we can't share in the chat.
Roll number.
Start. You start.
Okay, can you all try and see whether you can go into Teams like this?
Okay.
Do you see Teams on the right hand side?
Teams.
Oh, some of you are using browsers, right?
The right hand side Teams. Okay.
Can you see?
But I can't see Teams. I can't see it.
Is it the
Can't see Teams.
people?
What about Mandipa? Can you see?
I can't see any teams.
I
So
can't.
Teams should be the side of there.
Teams.
Is it the participants?
Lata, can you see Teams?
Hand side, right?
On the right hand side, like how you see from the when you are at work?
On
Is
right
it
hand
how
side.
it shows the participants?
No, not there. On the right hand side.
Do we press people? On the right hand side.
No. Not people. Okay, so maybe you can't, you are not able to see. Okay, I'll try. Let's start with somebody. One by one.
Start.
Okay, whose names start with A?
Okay.
Give me
Mine.
Yeah.
Mine.
Tell me your name.
Akhil.
My name.
Akhil.
Year 3, sorry. School.
Year 3.
Yeah, school.
Hingaya.
Can you spell that for me, please?
H-I-N.
N.
H-I-N-G-A-L-A.
G-A-L-A. Okay. Hingala.
G-A-I-A.
G-A-I-A. Okay, 1 minute. Can you see what I'm typing?
Yep. I can see what you're typing.
Okay, G-A-I-A, right?
Yeah.
School. And who is your class teacher?
Denise.
Denise.
Yeah. Denise.
Can you spell that for me, please?
T.
Yeah.
E.
Yeah.
N.
Yeah.
T-H.
Tenny. T-E-N-I, is it?
Alright, yeah. I.
Yeah, okay. And what's your email address? Something. Let's say akhil@gmail.com. Okay. You can tell fictitious names as well. Okay. Now Who else starts their name with A?
Mine.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Yes. Year
From
6.
year 6.
Yeah. Which school?
Mongafau School, M.
Mongafau. Is that right?
No, it's Maungawhau. GAW.
GAW. Okay.
Yeah. HAU. Wait, no, it's HAU. Last three letters
What
are
is your class teacher
HAU.
name?
Pardon?
What's your class teacher's name?
Miss Bull.
Can you spell?
BULL.
BULL. Okay, Bull. Miss Bull.
Yeah.
Okay. And I will say ayan@gmail.com.
Okay.
And who else starts with A?
Me, Adarsh.
Adarsh. Yeah.
Year 6.
Year 6. And which school?
School.
Can you spell that for me, please?
WATERLOO. Oh, it's LOO, not T.
WATERLOO.
Yeah.
Waterloo. And who is your class teacher?
My class teacher name is Lee.
Can you spell that for me?
LEE.
Lee. Okay. And I will say adarsh@gmail.com. Okay. And who else? Whose name starts with A?
My name.
Aditi, right? Aditi, year 6?
No, 5. 5. My year's 5.
Oh, you are in year 5? Okay. Year 5.
Edendale Primary.
Edendale, right? Edendale. Okay. Edendale Primary. And who is your class teacher?
Lily.
Lily. Okay. Aditi at gmail.com. Next one. Somebody with A. Who else is with A? Nobody else, right? Okay. Who else with B? Anyone with B? B, C. Okay. So okay. Somebody tell me their names. Come on, fast.
Gaurav, GAURAV.
Yeah.
And then year 9.
Yeah.
HVHS.
HVHS.
Yeah. And then my class teacher, Miss Mian. Just write HVHS. It's HVHS is the short form.
Okay, okay. What's your class teacher name?
Miss Mian.
EM.
MEEHAN. Miss Mian.
EEHAM. Meeham. Okay.
No, N. The last letter is N.
N. Okay. Meehan. Okay.
And my Gmail is
Gaurav at Gmail. I'm just using fictitious. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one. Kritika.
Kritika.
Year 6.
Yeah, 6.
Year 6 and which school?
Edendale Primary.
Edendale Primary. Edendale Primary. And who is your class teacher?
Amanda.
And Kritika at gmail.com. Okay. Next, who is in the last year? Year 5. Which school?
Elam Christian College.
Can you spell that for me, please?
EILM.
ILM.
Christian College.
Christian College. Okay. And who is the class teacher?
Mrs. Sella.
Ella.
Sella.
Is that the one?
No, Sella.
Yes.
Ella. S-A?
No, Sella.
Ella. Okay. Lasya at gmail.com. Okay. Okay,
That's
Shlok.
not how you spell my name.
Then, is there a double A?
Yeah.
Okay. Oops. Okay. Next, Shlok. Year 6. Avondale. What's your teacher's name? I can't hear you. Can you spell? No, I can't hear you. I'm just saying Jacinda, okay? Okay, Shlok at gmail.com. Okay, next one. Who is there?
Vishwani.
Yeah, Vishwani. Year 6, right?
Year 6, yeah.
And Avondale Primary, right?
No, I don't go to Avondale Primary. I go to Everglade. Everglade Primary.
Everglade. Oh, I heard it as Avondale. Okay, Everglade Primary. Okay, who is your class teacher?
Sumintra Dutt.
Can you spell that for me?
SUMNIT.
Yeah. N-I-T.
No, I mean INT.
Mint. Okay.
RA.
Is that like that?
No. It's part of. It's Sumintra Dutt. Sumintra.
Okay, okay. Sumitra Dutt, right?
It's the rise with Sumintra. Yeah.
Oh God.
It's with the Sumit.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. And Vishwani at
C.ch.
Okay. Next one is, who else is there? Nitya.
Nitya,
Yeah.
year 6, CPDS.
CPDS. Yeah. Who's the class teacher?
Colleen.
Colleen.
Yeah.
Colleen. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. And gmail.com. Next, who is that? Real.
Year 9.
Yeah.
And W. Sangare High School.
High School. And what's your teacher's name?
My previous teacher's name was Gemma.
Gemma. Okay.
JEMMA.
Real at gmail.com. Okay. And
Tanvi.
Tanvi, yeah, year 6, yeah.
Takapuna Primary.
Pune Primary. And school teacher, class teacher? Nikita. You. And Tanvi, am I spelling your name correct?
There's a H. H.
This one.
Mandipa? Year 6, which school? Mandipa? Riddhi Pari. Riddhi is year 6, is it?
No. Year 8.
Year 8. Okay, which school?
Balmoral.
Okay. Balmoral Intermediate. And Pari?
I don't know.
Okay. Let's leave it like that. I think we have covered most of the kids, right? So now what did we do? What did we do? Can anyone tell me what we did?
We learn like different types of data
And we
base.
learned
Yes.
and we
Who
learned
is that?
what
Who
data
told me that?
means.
We manage data.
Other.
We collected
Okay, so what did we do?
We learned what database means.
Yeah,
Types
so
of
we have
database.
created a small database,
We
which
made a list.
a simple database, and I am storing it in a folder. Okay.
Okay.
You know, does everyone understand what a folder is?
Yes.
Okay. Who doesn't understand?
yes.
Akhil, do you understand?
Would this be a flat file?
Yes, I understand.
Who said about flat file?
Me.
Indu auntie.
Yes, tell me.
I don't really know what it means.
Okay, so what we have done now is, in layman's terms, we have gathered some data, right? Do you agree that all this is data?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So now
It's like
we have
this.
created this data, and now we are storing it in a database. And what is a database in this case?
Storing information.
Excel file. This database is, we
Oh,
are storing this data in an Excel file, right? So
Yeah.
Excel file is the database,
yes.
and all this data is, all these names and years and stuff is the data. Okay. We will use that in the use this information in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
So now I want to show you what a flat file looks like before we go, before we continue. Okay. So does anyone know how to save it as a flat file? Any guesses?
Oh no.
Okay. So flat file means, what did I tell you? It should
Is it a
be
text
either
file?
a dot text file or a comma separated file, right? Did I tell you that? Either a dot txt file or a dot csv file. So how do I save that in? How do I save this information in as a csv file? So see, go into file.
Yeah.
And go save as.
Yeah. Then
And see here. See, this is as Excel workbook, right?
yeah.
If you click down here, see, there are lots of options. Have you ever seen these options? No, right? So now this one is CSV. See, it says comma delimited.
Yeah.
Okay. And see, these are text files, tab delimited, and also Unicode text. Okay, now I'm going to save it as, see this one, CSV comma delimited. Okay. And let's open that and then see how it will be. So I'm going to save it as CSV students. Okay. And I'm saving it. Where am I saving it? In kids text. Okay. So I saved it. Okay.
Okay.
Now let's see how it looks. I'm going to open it. Okay.
I know.
Can you see the
Is it you?
CSV students? Okay.
I found this in the class.
I'm going to share that. I'm going to open that and share it. Okay, I'm sharing it now. Have a look at it and see how it looks. Can you see?
Yes.
See, it has name, comma, year, comma, school, comma, class, teacher, comma, and email. So this is the header. And all the names are separated by commas. And
Yeah.
years are separated by commas.
Yeah.
Schools are separated by commas. And teachers and also
Email.
email. Okay. So that's how a comma separated file is created. Looks like. Okay. So everyone understands what a comma separated file is?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So, okay. So now what I want to go through uh, some concepts. We'll take 10 minutes more and then we can go. Okay. I'm going to share you the PowerPoint. Okay. So now we are going to cover relational database concepts. We have looked at different data types, database types, right? One of them is relational databases. So we are going to cover some relational database concepts. So what is a relational database? Can anyone tell me? What is a relational database?
Relational database store the concepts
That are in relationship to each other. So for example, we have taken this one, right? School teacher, class teacher, school, class teacher, and students' names, right? So the class teacher and school are related, right? Is can do everyone agree?
Yes.
Students are
Yes.
related to teachers and also school. If they are in that school, then there is a chance of getting that teacher, right? If they are in a different school, they won't get the chance of getting the another teacher, right? So
Yes.
it's something relation that's I'm trying to get you to understand a relationship. Okay. And what is the table? What is a table? Can anyone tell?
A table is where you collect data.
Yeah. Data. Is that all? You are half correct.
You can put it into columns as well to label the data.
Well done. Columns and okay.
row.
Yeah. And columns and
And
sorry.
Row and column.
Table is like we store database on that.
No. A table is a see. A table is a collection of data. Is data which is represented in a row and in rows and columns. I'll show you what
so
that
it's
means.
like Excel sheet.
Yeah, it looks like Excel. Yes, and I'll show you what a column is and what a row is. Row is horizontal. Does everyone know what horizontal is?
Yes.
Yes or no? Who
Yes.
doesn't know?
Horizontal.
Yes.
Rows means horizontal means in a straight line, like this.
X-axis.
Yeah, x-axis. And what is a column?
Vertical.
Y vertical.
Column is vertical. And okay. And what is a field?
Oh.
Keep the
Field is a cell in a Excel table. I'll show you all that. Just remember these. I'm going to show you that. And what is a primary key and what is a foreign key? These are the things I'm going to just lightly touch here, and then we'll go through in detail in the next class. Okay?
I have a question.
Yeah.
Are articles writing facts and non-fiction facts like a database kinda? Oh, okay.
Articles are also they are also databases, but they are different kinds of data. Different. They are not. Most probably they are not. What do you call relational databases? But they are text databases, document-oriented databases. Okay. So now let's learn what a table is, row is, and column is. I'm going back to the Excel sheet that we have done. No. Okay. What is the table here? Can anyone tell? What is a table here?
I can't see it.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
I can't see it either.
Yeah, I can't see anything.
I'm not sharing it. Hold on. CSV students. Okay. Can everyone see this?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is a table? Who is going to tell me?
It's basically kind of like it uses rows and columns to organize and tell us what is going on. It's basically like let's say
It's technically like an Excel sheet.
Yeah. So this whole thing, that the data that we have, this whole thing is a table. Do you agree or not?
We agree.
Yes.
She will continue from
You
Yes.
understand?
Understand.
Okay. So what is a row?
it's basically one that
One line.
Straight line.
This one line is one row. Okay.
Yeah.
A line across.
This line is another row.
Yeah.
This line is another row. So how many rows do we have? Do you know?
Yeah. We have 17.
17.
17 rows. Yes, very good. And what's a column? What's a column?
Column is also
It is
Column
Column
is
is this
the
vertical.
alphabets.
Vertical is the column. Okay.
vertical
So
one.
we have a name column. We have a year column. We have a school column.
Okay.
We have a class teacher column, and we have an email column. Okay. So now we know what a row is, what a column is. What is a field? Can anyone tell?
What is that?
What
Field
is a field?
is filled all the thing
Field
that
is just one cell.
one
A
cell.
field is one cell. So that is the field value. Field value means, so for example, name is the field name and field values are these. Okay. Year is a field name and year values are these. Okay. Got it?
Got it.
Any questions?
no.
Okay. And okay, we will learn primary key and foreign key in the next lesson. And I'm going to ask you, send you some links for you to download in your computers. It is a SQL Server developer version and management studio, so that you can create a database on your own. Okay. We will do the creation of database next time. Okay. In the next class.
Okay.
So did you all understand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Any questions?
Yes.
No.
Who said yes? Who has questions?
You have no
You
question.
can ask now.
The thing is, I just forgot everything I just learned.
No questions?
No.
No.
Okay. So if you have questions, you can ask me. Otherwise, yeah. Yeah, otherwise we can have a very
I
good
have
night.
I have a question.
Yes.
Bye.
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 Thank you. Who has a question? Come on,
Bye.
ask me.
Have a great
Yeah.
night. Thank you.
Oh, bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you
Thank
so much.
you.
Bye.
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 Thank you.
Bye, Auntie.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you. Bye. Thank
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, Domina. How are you?
Ayan, waiting in the lobby, leaving. Okay. హలో
హలో
ఏంటి కెమెరా అలా పెట్టావు?
నేను పెట్టలేదు, అది అలా వచ్చింది.
వాడేది చేసుంటాడు.
లేడుగా, ఆయన క్యాంప్ లో ఉన్నాడుగా.
ఓ వెళ్ళిపోయాడా? ఓకే. ఎలా ఉంది?
బాగానే, కానీ ఎవరితో బాగా డిస్టర్బెన్స్ గా ఉంది కదా అసలు.
అవునా, ప్రియల్ అనే అమ్మాయి ఫంగరేలో ఉంది. నేను మ్యూట్ చేశాను, మళ్ళీ మళ్ళీ వస్తుంది. మ్యూట్ చేయమని చెప్పాలా?
అదే
ఉండు, రికార్డింగ్ స్టాప్ చేస్తా.